How to change to Arabic keyboard in Windows 10. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change to Arabic keyboard in Windows 10. To do so, you will need to simply follow these steps. First of all, click on the Start button at the bottom right corner of your screen and then search for Settings here. Once you find the settings, simply click on it. And once you reach to the settings page, here make sure you are logged into your Microsoft account. At the left side, you'll be able to see different options in the settings page. Here, find time and language option and then click on it. Now at the right side, click on language and region option. By doing so, you'll be presented with this screen. Now, find this preferred languages option and at the right side, you'll be able to see add a language option. Simply click on it and a pop-up will appear. Now here you will need to search for Arabic. Type in Arabic and then you will get the search results below. From here, find Arabic Egypt and then simply click on it. Once you click on it, at the bottom you'll be able to see the next button. Simply click on the next button below and click on Install to add the language and the keyboard. Wait for a few seconds until it is downloaded. Wait patiently until it gets installed on your device. Now after installation, you can switch to the Arabic keyboard by simply clicking on the language icon on the taskbar at the bottom right. Simply click on it and then from there select Arabic option. Click on Arabic in order to change it to Arabic. Alternatively, you can also press Windows key plus spacebar to cycle through the installed keyboards until you reach Arabic. You will be able to see the changes at the bottom right. This will enable you to type in Arabic using the Arabic keyboard layout on your Windows 10. So this is how you can change Arabic keyboard in Windows 10. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.